All right, like I did mention, MCD has decided to suspend 2 of its engineers, and that's the latest we have here. 2 engineers they've been suspended after India Today's relentless coverage. We're looking at an assistant engineer who's been axed as they've observed lapses. In fact, the impact of India Today coverage, finally we're looking at 7 people who are related to this case who've been arrested for this apathy, including the owner and the coordinator of that Rouse IAS Academy. We also see 2 engineers of the MCD who've been axed for not carrying out periodic checks and desilting the drains, which comes under them, their responsibility. And we're seeing bulldozers finally razing down parts of the building. India Today's relentless coverage leading to swift action. But it's unfortunate that we see more often than not post-mortem that happens instead of actually preparing for preventing situations like this. Here we see only post a death does the system wake up to act. Well, let's just hope this is the last of it. 4 UPSC aspirants, bright minds, who've died due to sheer administrative negligence. Kumar Kunal joining us for more on that. Kumar Kunal, please give us more on the action that's been taken so far. Nothing can bring back the lives that are lost. While the families are grieving, netas are bickering in the Lok Sabha. We see action being taken, bulldozers razing down some of those illegally constructed basement areas where commercial activity is taking place. They've been locked. We see 2 MCD officials who've been axed and 7 others accused related to the case who've been arrested. Please take us through who are these engineers, what was their responsibility which they failed to deliver?
See, Nabila, it is more an eyewash what we can say, because they are the junior most officers who have been either axed or suspended right now. The junior engineer has been axed, while the assistant engineer has been suspended. But the responsibility should be fixed at some of the higher levels, because this is rampant violation of the rules, the building bylaws that can be seen, and we are showing continuously that how the violations happened, and there are not some isolated violations there at old Rajendra Nagar or in the vicinity, but serious kind of violations happened. And why just 2 engineers, those engineers which are at the junior most level? Why not the senior engineers like executive engineer, chief engineer? There should be action against those who are the responsible at the highest level as well. So action has been taken, no doubt about that. Junior engineer is actually responsible for the ground survey and what is actually happening on the ground, and he has to report to his senior officials. But at the same time, there are many complaints which went into the deaf ears of the senior officers, and that has not been taken care of. That's why this kind of incident, this kind of unfortunate incident happened. So the action should be taken at the highest level. Secondly, the bulldozer action is also taking place there. But you can see that most of the action can be seen on the pavements. So that is also seemingly a mere eyewash. The action of doing or much serious action was anticipated after this kind of incident. So all these what we are witnessing right now are more or less an eyewash, not a serious kind of action we are witnessing till now.
Well, Kumar Kunal, stay with us. I'm going to quickly cut across to Shreya, who's there on the ground. She's bringing us images of the bulldozer action being taken on some of those coaching centers that have been illegally carrying out commercial activities at their basement areas, despite it being only meant for storage and parking purposes. Let's have a look.
After the tragedy that struck in the Rao IS Center, taking the lives of 3 innocent IS aspirants, you can see bulldozer action now about to take place in the Rajendra Nagar area. Initially, the Delhi police was yes to give a permission, but what we are being told that illegal encroachments in and around this particular area will now be bulldozed, and that's precisely why you can see this bulldozer has been brought to the spot to just give you a sense of understanding on what this entire thing will revolve around. Remember, in this particular area of the old Rajendra Nagar district, the MCD officials will now carry out an encroachment removal drive. MCD officers on the ground identifying the places which have been illegally encroached upon, and that's the reason they will be conducting this drive. Sir, आप लोग यहाँ पे illegal encroachment हटाने के लिए आए हैं?
जी सर, मैडम रैंप वगैरह तोड़ने।
कौन सी जगह आप तोड़ने के लिए आए हैं?
पटरी जो इन्होंने
एक बार आइए, कैमरे में दिखाइए। ये सारे पटरी आप कह रहे हैं इलीगल है?
हाँ।
आप कहाँ से? एमसीबी के कौन से डिपार्टमेंट से?
एमसीडी का मेंटेनेंस डिपार्टमेंट।
कौन से मेंटेनेंस?
मेंटेनेंस डिवीजन।
फ्लड डिपार्टमेंट से?
नहीं, मेंटेनेंस।
मेंटेनेंस मतलब ये ड्रेनेज से?
हाँ जी।
सर एक बात बताइए, तो ये ड्रेनेज सिल्टिंग का काम क्यों नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, सिल्टिंग पूरी है, लेकिन ये ओपनिंग इन्होंने बंद कर दी सारी हमारी।
तो कारण क्या है? आप लोगों को क्यों लगता है ये फ्लडिंग हुई थी?
ये ओपनिंग बंद कर दी उन्होंने।
किन्होंने बंद कर दी?
ये बिल्डिंग वालों ने।
इन बिल्डिंग वालों ने? कौन सी? इधर आइए, एक बार दिखाइए हम लोगों को आराम अच्छे से कि क्या दिक्कत हुई थी।
ये जितनी भी ओपनिंग थी हमारी,
हाँ,
ये सारी बंद कर दी यहाँ।
कौन सी ओपनिंग?
जैसे इसकी ओपनिंग थी वो बंद कर दी इन्होंने।
ये ड्रेन की ओपनिंग बंद की, और ये सारे ड्रेन की। आइए, यू कैन सी दिस पर्सन, ही इज टेलिंग अस ऑन कैमरा, ही इज सजेस्टिंग दैट द ड्रेन ओपनिंग्स वर क्लोज्ड बाय द बिल्डिंग। थोड़ा समझाइए हमारे लोगों को।
ये बिल्डिंग वालों ने बंद कर दी, इसलिए पानी जा नहीं पा ड्रेन के अंदर।
अच्छा,
ये सारी उखाड़ देंगे तो ऑटोमेटिक थ्रू आउट पानी जाएगा।
तो ये बिल्डिंग वालों ने ये सारे ड्रेन बंद करवाई थी। तो सर ये आप लोगों को पहले किसी ने रेज नहीं किया था?
ये करने नहीं देते ना, दादागिरी करते हैं हमारे को।
क्या दादागिरी करते हैं?
गुंडागिरी है।
कैसे गुंडागर्दी बताइए?
धमकाते हैं हमें कहीं से।
कौन आपको धमकाते हैं? एमसीबी वालों को धमकाते हैं?
अप्रोच करते हैं।
अच्छा, तो इसीलिए एमसीडी की तरफ से इतने दिन से एक्शन नहीं ले पाया।
कर रहे हैं मैडम।
अब आप लोग एक्शन ले रहे हो सर, लेकिन ये एक्शन आप लोग पहले लेते सर तो ये लोग बच जाते ना, 3 लोगों की मौत नहीं होती। इतने दिन से आप लोग क्यों नहीं एक्शन लिया? अगर आप लोगों को पता था कि ये कारण था, बताइए ना सर। पहले भी तो आप लोग एक्शन ले सकते थे। आप कह रहे हो आप लोगों को पता था, तो ये पहले एक्शन क्यों नहीं लिया गया? सर आप एमसीडी से हो, ये जिम्मेदारी तो आप लोगों की भी है। आप अगर कह रहे हैं कि आपको पता था ये ड्रेनेज ऐसे बंद था और आपको धमकाया जा रहा था।
चालू है, ड्रेन बंद नहीं है हमारा, रनिंग में।
ड्रेन का ओपनिंग बंद किया आप कह रहे हैं?
ओपनिंग बंद की है इन्होंने।
तो ये आपको पता था? आप कह रहे दादागिरी है। किन की दादागिरी है बताइए
मैडम,
सर।
खुलवा रहे हैं
लोगों की जान चली गई।
मैडम खुलवा रहे हैं मैडम, करवा
नहीं, इतने दिन तक क्यों नहीं हुआ?
कर रहे हैं मैम, कर रहे हैं।
वो तो अब होना है सर, जब ऑलरेडी 3 लोगों की जान चली गई है। So you can see over here, they don't have an answer categorically that why till now no action has been taken. What he is essentially saying that these all IS buildings, basically what they have done is they have shut down the drains. You can see the drains. What they are saying is that these drainage system, which essentially has to take the drain flow forward, they have been shut down by construction work by these IS coaching operators. That's the reason this flooding happened. We particularly asked them why no action was taken before. He's saying दादागिरी चलता था, हम लोगों को धमकाया जाता था, इसीलिए हम कुछ नहीं कर पाए. Shocking revelation on camera of an MCD official who's saying they were threatened to take action so long is why nothing could have been done. With video journalist Manish, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.